the car, a symbol of American pride, independence, power, freedom, and a leading cause of death and injury in the United States. Today, we will be examining the decline in automotive fatalities over the last 100 years. There are two facets to automotive safety: car design and driver behavior. Engineering advances have vastly increased the survivability of vehicular accidents. In the 1930s, the implementation of laminated safety glass prevented glass shards from causing further injury during an accident. In the 1950s, starting with Volvo, the three-point seatbelt was introduced. In 1962, New York enacted a law requiring the manufacturing of seatbelts in the front seats of all cars. However, the seatbelt did not readily catch on. In order to increase public use, automatic seatbelts were implemented. However, these automatic belts were ineffective. To be truly effective, the lap belt still had to be manually buckled. If left unbuckled, the passenger would slide under the shoulder buckle and sustain serious injury. In 1984, New York became the first state to mandate seatbelt use, and most of the other states soon followed. However, public adoption was slow and gradual. A common myth was that being thrown clear of the vehicle was safer than being kept within. Any subscribers to this myth are welcome to hurl themselves through a window at 30 miles an hour onto concrete. Starting in the 1970s, airbags began to be introduced. These prevented the driver and occupants from smashing into the console, and cushioned the movement of occupants within the vehicles. Beginning in 1999, all cars were required to have front airbags. Since then, side, knee, and rear airbags have been designed and implemented. Modification of driver behavior has also improved vehicle safety. Graduated driver's license programs have reduced the high accident rate among young and inexperienced drivers. Laws punish texting or drinking while driving, and research shows that driving while tired may be similarly dangerous. Traffic control measures and intersection design have also helped reduce the probability of collisions. Still, these systems require the driver to be attentive and following the law. New electronic technologies are being developed to automate vehicle safety. Forward collision avoidance systems can warn of an impending collision, prime the brakes, and even automatically stop the car. Lane assist functions can correct or warn a driver if a car is drifting out of lane. Blind spot monitoring systems check for cars on either side of the vehicle and likewise warn of potential collisions. Backup cameras give a better view of the immediate rear of a vehicle, preventing drivers from accidentally backing over pets or small children. Of course, the issue with all of these features is adoption. These cutting-edge technologies start out in the higher trim lines of vehicles and take time and legislation to become ubiquitous. Even with these technologies, there is still room for human error. Many see self-driving cars as the answer to many of these concerns. In addition to reducing accidents, synchronization of cars would allow for faster movement of cars through intersections and reduce slowdowns. At the end of the day, we are merely human, and the faster we submit to our robot overlords, the better. This begs the question, what can be done to incentivize people to adopt these new technologies?